This Xbox One was shipped to me today because it powers on and then it powers back off. But the way it sounds like, I think it's a hard drive issue. So I'm going to take it apart and replace it and show you how to fix it. Keep watching. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now I'm going to power the Xbox and I'm going to let you know why I think it's the hard drive issue. I'll let you hear it. Okay, let's move on. Turn off the Xbox, and then now I'm going to disconnect the hard drive cable to the Xbox and see if we get a picture. And this is exactly what happened. It was a hard drive. The console, the Xbox was turning on and is shutting back off, and with no picture. But now we got a picture with the error code. That's okay because we're going to replace the hard drive, and the Xbox will never turn back off again. Let's change it and install the software to this Xbox. I'll remove the hard drive. Now I'm going to remove the housing to the Xbox hard drive. We don't need this hard drive no more. Here is a new hard drive. And now let's get to the computer. You will need a USB stick, maybe 10 gigabytes or higher. Plug it to the computer. Go to Start. Type this PC. Click on it. Go to your USB drive, right click, and click on Format. Make sure the file system is NTFS, not FAT32. And click on Quick Format and click on Start. It's going to give you this warning message here. Press OK. And format completed. Press OK. Go to Google and type OSU1 and then press Enter. You want to go to the Microsoft website, which is Xbox. Click on it and scroll down. It says download the offline system update file. All you have to do is press on the OSU1, click on it. And here's your download. Will be downloaded right here. It may take a few minutes. This is a big file, so wait for it until it finishes. And now all you have to do is press on the folder, show in folder, right click on the folder, and then press extract all. Then over here you want to select the USB drive, which is here is already selected, F. Press select folder, press on extract, and then just wait for it to download to the USB drive. And now the Xbox software is almost ready. Done. If you open your USB drive, you'll see the system update right here, and here's all of the files. Let's plug it back to the Xbox. This is a new hard drive, which is going to plug in now to test it. We're not going to close it all the way. Plug the USB stick, power the Xbox. Make sure you connect your controller through a wire because you won't be able to sync it through wireless. go down and click on troubleshoot and press A. Go to the right and press on offline system update. And now you got a message saying preparing console. 1% done. And it's going to take the update out of the USB stick. And that's how you know it's downloading. Now you got the download logo. And as you see, the system update almost done. And we're at 93%. And now the update has finished. And as you see, everything is working fine. It's asking to make a new user ID. I pressed on skip, and here you go. We got an Xbox that used to power on and power back off, and the problem was the hard drive. If you need your game console fixed, check the link in the bio or the comment below. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.